Hi everybody. Jordan and I wanted to read you a book. We've missed everybody so much and we know this is a really difficult time, so we thought we would read a fun book and hopefully put a smile on your face. This book is called Bear Snores On, and like I usually say, there's an author and an illustrator in every book, someone who writes the words and someone who draws all the amazing pictures. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't drop, but the bear snores on. Toby wants to be part of the book too. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. Oh, Jordan's trying to say hello. "Ho," Mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuffles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yum, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. There's a wren and a raven fluttering in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm," says wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare makes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls with grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins his tail with the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.